at Clifty Falls State Park, and it's a beautiful day out. And we got here a little late, but we're gonna hit some trails and hawks flying around there. There's one of the falls right there. Look at that, all the way down. We're gonna try to go all the way down there.
Oh, we're just gonna go like, whee!
Yep, we're just gonna jump. You first. Pretty wide trail, and then into nothing. Just goes off the side. Look at that wall up there.
This is a wall that I want.
Crazy. There's a little cave over here. I think it's blocked off though. Look how far down in there that goes. So we are on Trail 5 right now, and we're hoping it, from the map it says we hit Trail 2 and follow the river bed all the way down and do like a little loop. So that's the plan so far.
It can be like an extension of your body. You can put weight on it.
And these roots are kicking my butt. Trail 5, all the way down to the riverbed, which is where we're at. So. Well, we're in the creek and we don't know where the trail goes, so we followed this for about a quarter mile now, so I'm thinking we need to go that way. Right now we're walking along the creek bed because the trail's up there. Looks like that one comes down there, but we're gonna have to cross over here anyway because we're not gonna be able to make that. Nice little waterfall there. Looks like somebody utilized some trash. Some more little waterfalls here. I don't really know where we're going. We just know we're on Trail 2. But I'm kind of worried because the sun's going down pretty quick. And as long as we get back on the trail soon enough, we should be fine. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm breathing so hard. So we started to get nervous and didn't know where we were because none of the map stuff was showing up. So we were like, well, let's just turn back because the sun's coming down. And then as we start to cross, my wife seen somebody up on the ridge over here. So I just ran and they said it's Trail 4. And that's where we need to go. Oh, I'm so excited. So we just checked the map and this is where we were supposed to get off. And there was no sign or anything and we didn't know what to do. So we were gonna turn around right where we were supposed to get off. So luckily the wife seen somebody way up there in the ridge. And I asked, and now we're about to get back on trail right over here. Got a nice little stream here, all the way there. Trail 4 is right there. And we're headed back up. This trail sucks. That's a nice little lookout. We were almost lost. Right down there. Feels good to be back on a trail. An actual trail. Look at that. That is an actual trail. Kind of dried up there, but it's flowing down about right there. So it was a nice little waterfall when it's flowing. Trail's over there. It's a shame this is all dried up. This has been cool to see, since we gotta walk by it anyway. So, way up and down to the river. Look how rocky this trail is. Oh my God. Oh. It's all on a ledge here. Look at the texture on this rock here. It's awesome. Comes all the way down. And there's the river right down there where we were about an hour ago. Sun over there. It's making this right here look nice. All glistening. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the other end of the cave where we started at the beginning of the video. Not allowed to go in it yet, so, but it looks like it's a straight shot through, so you can go in one end, not the other. So since we can't go through it, we're gonna go hit the trail this way. There's the sign right there to go down, and we're actually heading back that way to head back to the car. Whew. Man, that is a hike during Trail 2 along the river. Let me tell you what. And we made it back to the waterfall where we started. There's the car. Yay. We did it. It's over. Oh, shit. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Before we leave, we're gonna go see the big Clifty. Big Clifty this way. Whoa. There's the big Clifty right there for you.